Encountering the no internet connection error on your Tesco app, even with mobile data or Wi Fi, is a common frustration. This isn't always due to a lack of internet, but often stems from unstable connections or network conflicts. First, if you're on mobile data, ensure you have a strong 4G, 5G signal and that data throttling isn't enabled by your carrier. Try toggling airplane mode to reset your connection. For Wi Fi issues, especially on public networks, the problem often lies with captive portals, those login pages you must pass through in places like shops or airports. Since the Tesco app doesn't automatically handle these, open a browser, log into the Wi Fi network through the portal, and then restart the Tesco app. Clearing the app cache and updating to the latest version of Android or iOS can also resolve underlying issues. Remember to check Tesco's app changelog or their forums for any user-submitted fixes, as they often prioritize server-side stability over immediate app patches. Also, confirm your APN settings are correct for your carrier. By following these quick steps, you can often bypass the error and get back to your shopping. Delving deeper, this error often points to fundamental network layer misalignments rather than a total internet outage. The Tesco app, like other mobile applications, relies on stable TCP/IP stacks, which can be disrupted by VPNs, firewalls, or device settings. Public Wi-Fi networks and captive portals can cause the app to get stuck in a pending state, as it requires explicit internet access to load correctly. Looking ahead, trends indicate a rise in such app connectivity issues due to increasing mobile reliance, especially in grocery shopping apps. Tesco is aware of these challenges and is reportedly investing in adaptive networking. Future solutions may involve AI-driven troubleshooting within the app, zero-trust network access, and protocols like Quick for faster data transfer. Edge computing could also minimize server-side lags, reducing dependency on perfect user-side connectivity. Competitors like Amazon have addressed similar issues by incorporating app-side captive portal handling, a potential direction for Tesco. While restarting your device often provides a temporary fix, these long-term advancements promise more robust and reliable app performance in the future, making errors like this less frequent.